In this video, I want to share some ideas that specifically motivate people who are fence sitters. And those are people who are on the fence. They're not sure if they want to buy or not. They're interested in this product that you're offering, but they just can't bring themselves quite yet to push on that button to add it to the cart. Now, the thing is you really want to try to get people to purchase before they leave the page. You know, I'm not talking about unethical or high pressure tactics, but the fact is it's much, much better to be able to get the sale when they're on the page than to think, oh, okay, they'll just come back later. And of course, some people do, but you are going to maybe not have some of those people come back later. People get distracted, etc. So if you can get people to buy while they visit your page, that is much better. So there are 3 keys you want to incorporate, and that includes desirability, deadline, and discounts. And desirability is really something that makes people want to click that button. It has to be so attractive. In fact, some people might even buy just to get their hands on the bonus. So for example, if you have a guide that's crafting an effective resume, you might offer a set of resume templates so they can use those. So it really should be something that gets people excited about it. That's why sometimes when you see people offering a huge boatload of unrelated bonuses, it's just not really the best way to do it, because it's much better to have just a bonus or two or a few that really relate and get people interested in what you have to offer. Deadline. This is another thing where if you don't want to offer a discount, you could have a deadline to get people to get off that fence. So you could say, okay, if you want to get this bonus, you have to order in the next couple days or something like that. So that's really what can be helpful with this, is to getting people to purchase, is to offer these fast action bonuses. So if you have something that maybe runs 3 to 7 days, that way people can get it and pick it up. And another thing with that is you can also offer a discount as well. I mean, there's different ways that you can do that. So you may want to offer an introductory pricing bonus. That's usually what I do. If something's come out and it's new, I'm going to offer introductory pricing. And once you put together a bonus, you can certainly recycle it. You can put it in with different products. When you promote that offer again, you can go ahead and reintroduce that bonus again if you did take it off, since it was a limited time bonus. So let me just show you here. This is a very popular offer on ClickBank. It's called Old School New Body. And this is a offer that is selling very well. So what they've done here is they've incorporated several ones. They have a $19 discount voucher. So you can just try it by paying $1. And then if you come here, they're going to have some awesome gifts, a workout guide, a little tips guide, building more muscle, and an attraction guide, anti-aging. So they have about 4 of those bonuses. And then they have this as well, $30 off. And then I'm not really sure where that other one came into. And then you can see here, they're actually putting a timer on there. Now, most likely if you came back to the page, it might be there again, but it just goes to show that if you can incorporate several different types of fast action bonuses, you can increase your sales with that. So if you'd like to dig deeper into working on bonuses and using them to grow your business, whether you're a product creator, a publisher, or an affiliate, then you'll want to check out Bonus Boost.